Happy Vlogmas everyone, day 4, and Spice and Daddy and I are off to the post office. I'll take you with me. Say hello. She's not happy. Come on. She's not happy with her coat on. She stands there like, oh, I don't like it. So we're off on our way to the post office. It's Monday morning and it is wet and miserable. All the snow's gone, and so got an order. I'm going to send that off, and also Dimitri's winnings from the live on Thursday. Going to chat with our June later. And so all the little bit of snow that we woke up to yesterday is all gone. It's a nice cool 3 degrees this morning, and we're just taking Spice and Rick for our walk to post office. As you can see behind me, all the bushes have lost their leaves, and so we'll see what Vlogmas has got for us today. Welcome everybody to Vlogmas 2023 day 4, and we just got back from the post office. I've taken a little bit of footage, and it's quite damp out there today. The snow didn't last long, and it never does here in my part of Warrington. So we had a good day yesterday. Nearly caught up with it. Well, I caught up with one of them, nearly on another, and I started another advent project with my Yarny Corners advent calendar. I'm doing the jelly roll. So let's make a start with what's on day 4. I showed you briefly. I got a Lindor chocolate, which is, I think this is doesn't tell me which one. Anyway, Lindor chocolate's one of my favourites, so I got that. And then when I opened it, you know Rick has done this advent for me. If I can get in it, you've got to be in it. Oh, there we go. I got some kitty cat stitch markers, and they're from Nanny V's Crafts here in the UK. And look at the little pussycats. Let me just fan them out. So I got little pussycat. I hope you can see. There we go. So got a set of 5. So got a blue one, got lilac, pink, black and white. Really nice. They look like a mother of pearl. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. So thank you, Richard. So moving on to Advent calendar number 1, which is Kitey's, the Yarn Whisperer. And you all know that I'm doing my elf leaf square motif. And so I have caught up. So I've done day 1, 2 and 3, and I've made a start on number 3, but I've got to finish that. So I did 3 yesterday, so I'll do 3 today and I'll be caught up. So that's that. And shall we open Kitey's number 4, which what I've done is the Kitey in day 1, I had to open a package with all these little. So what I've done is I've added them to my skeins, and with how much is left, because I'd like to put a little bit of each in all of. So whatever's left, I'm going to divide between my other 2 advents. So that's there. I'm keeping them. So what day 4, and day 4 is lovely green. So let's see what's here. what's in number 4? Ooh, oh, I like this one too. This is like green and greys. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And these are all film related, all Christmas films. So I think day 1 was The Elf. Day 2 was The Muppets. Yesterday was National Lampoon. And today I've not opened it because I've got to open the yarn first. So that is day 4. I really like that, and I think it'll blend in nicely with this one, day 3. So yeah, so that's my Yarn Whisperer day 4. So the next one is going to be my botanical yarns, and the botanical yarns, you all know I'm doing the Cozy Memories by Shelley Dupont Polka Dot, and I've added, I'm up to date with this one, so I've added, so this is, yeah, that's the way it goes. So I've added, that's day 1, day 2, day 3, and again what I've done is just an idea, guys, is I put them back in, but I've put what's left in the so they've gone back in there. So day 4, let's see what day 4 is for this one. Ooh, it's another yellow. Right, okay then. Day 5 is another yellow. I'm surprised. I'm surprised to say the least, but hey ho. This is day 4. Let's open it and see what we've got here. So there's little specks. So let me just get my other one out. I don't think it's far different from day 2. I don't know what to say to that, guys. I'm a bit, if I'm honest, a bit disappointed. A bit disappointed, but we'll see what colour. So yeah, I'm a bit disappointed in day 2's, day 4's. Yeah. So we'll see what day 5 is. Not sure what to say to that, guys, because I think that colour is more or less the same as that one, which is day 2, and that's day 3. So, I'm a bit disappointed, to say the least. But, hey-ho, I'll have to go back and read what it says about the Advent, because, in all honesty, I'm not really happy. All yellows. But, hey-ho. It is what it is. So yeah, as you, I'm doing the Cozy Memories, and as I've used them, I'm putting them back in the doors. The things that I can see, it doesn't look like I'm going to be very happy with this one when all's said and done, but we'll go through it. And not happy with all the yellows, to be honest, guys. So anyway, Alex from my Yarny Corner, for hers, you know, I was undecided. I was going to do a shawl, started a blanket, blah blah blah. Anyway, I've started the jelly roll blanket. So I've done day 1, I'm on day 2, and I've got day 3. So I'm excited to see what day 4 is. For me, that is the colours and kites. They're the colours that I was expecting, you know, something like that. Not all the one colour. So we'll see, guys. I'm not really happy. So what I've done, as with the others, I put them back in the bags with what's left. 11 grams. So what I do is when I wind the yarn up, I take off how much I want, and then yeah, take off 10 grams, I think it is. Anyway, I make sure that I've got 11 grams left. And ooh, I like, and I got another toffee. Ooh, Walker's Banana Split Eclair. Nice, I've not had one of them for years. Thank you. And oh, look at this one. Oh, oh, very nice. Trying to, some exotic bird. What do you think, guys? Some exotic bird. Really, really nice. Love it. Very nice. So, love it. Love that colour. So what I think I need to do, guys, is I need to go to my order for botanical yarns and see what it says about the advent, because I'm not a happy bunny with it all being yellow, and it doesn't look like it's going to be any different tomorrow either from what I can see. We'll see what it says. I'll have to have a look. How disappointing is that? I don't want to make a blanket all yellow. Oh well, guys, it is what it is, but hey ho. So that is day 4. I've got this video to edit and upload for today, and I'm going to hopefully spending time on, well, I'm going to be working on my advents. Guys, I'm going to be working on my advents. So wind them up, go and have a cup of coffee, come back, wind these up, and then get this edited. And yeah, so thank you for stopping by today. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.